y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have got this pretty winter glam look for you guys. Definitely Christmassy, definitely winter holiday approved. I just love the color blue for like Christmas time and December in general. Like the month of December always makes me think of the color blue. I don't know why, and different shades of blue for whatever reason. I can't even explain it, but it's just, I always think of blue when I think of Christmas. And I was mostly inspired by my nails. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys could see. Yeah, I was mostly inspired by my nails. I got these done on Saturday. I'll leave an inspo pic, the inspo pic somewhere around here. They don't look exactly like the inspo pic. I've got these two ombre glitter, two sweater nails, and then these like main just like glitter nail, and then off-white. Just I love it. I created this look using two palettes. I used the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette, as well as the Makeup Shack Rainforest palette. The Rainforest palette is actually one of my faves. It's just a rainbow palette, but it's actually just, it's one of those like utility palettes that has almost about every shade that you can need. I honestly could have used the light blue in this palette, but I only wanted the dark blue, this navy blue in here. That's the only shade I used out of this palette, but it's one of my favorites and I love it a lot. The last time I used this palette for a look was my rainbow eyeshadow look from over the summer. I'll leave an eye above for that look. It was my Pride look, so I'll leave that eye so y'all can check that out. This palette is new. I picked it up during the ColourPop Thanksgiving sale. They just had like a week of sales, and it also launched during that sale. If it is still in stock, I will leave a link down below, as well as a link to the Rainforest palette. I know the Rainforest palette was like 12 bucks. It was really, really inexpensive. Makeup Shack always has really inexpensive makeup, lashes, and I love their lashes. Like y'all know, I'm a big fan of Makeup Shack lashes. This palette I bought for $23, but it was on sale, and I believe the price has gone up to I think $26 or 25, I'm not sure, but I'll leave a link so you guys can check it out. This palette has a total of 30 shades. It is a pressed powder palette, and there are also some pressed glitters in it. This is such a pretty rainbow palette. I think this is one of the prettiest rainbow palettes I have. Honestly and truly, it is so damn pretty. I used the shade Take It Easel, which is this light blue all the way up here to blend out the navy blue, and then I use the shade Hot Copic right here, all on the lid to kind of carve out my lid and kind of do like a faux cut crease. And then I went over that shadow with my finger with the shade Kaleidoscope, which is just this like pressed glitter. But yeah, like I said, I always think of blues for Christmas, and I just love this look. I don't know, maybe next year I'll do a red look, I don't know, but I just this came out far better than I expected. When I first had started doing the eye look, I was kind of worried, but here we are looking cute. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. guys, this is it. Here is the finished look and I love it. I just love blues for December. Wintertime, I always think of blues. I know a lot of people think of Christmas and they think of red and green, but me, I think of blue. Like, honestly and truly. I love the color blue anyway, so this is just right up my alley in every aspect. But yes, for my face portion, because I realized I didn't hold up any of the products for this full face look, for my face, I am wearing the Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 460W. As you guys know, that has been the standout foundation for me this year. As well as for concealer, I'm wearing the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer in the shade 70NY. This is the first time I'm using this concealer, and you guys will probably see a bop or flop review following this video on that concealer, because what are we in this household? Multitasking. That's what we do here. And for powder, I am wearing the Morphe Filter Effect powder, finishing powder in the shade Filter 10. For bronzer, I'm wearing my ColourPop bronzer, which doesn't have a name on here, and I'm pretty positive they discontinued from the website, unfortunately. For highlighter, I have on the Nikkie Tutorials X Ofra Everglow highlighter. Yo, this is an oldie, y'all. This is an oldie, and let me tell you something, like, I actually still love this highlighter so much. I haven't bought any other Ofra cosmetic products since getting this highlighter and the set it came with. This is from like their Nikkie Tutorials collab years ago. I think this was like in 2016, 2017, I think 2017, yeah. 2017, guys, like spring of 2017. I've had this highlighter for a minute. I bought this when I went to the meet and greet. I'll leave an eye above for that video. It's super old though. It's a really old video, and I'll like insert a picture here of like when I met Nikkie. But yeah, I got some Nikkie tutorials in 2017. If anybody's new to my channel and they've never seen that video, yeah, that happened. She's super sweet in person and literally one of the tallest people I've ever met. Like, I deadass walked up to that woman and said to her, "You're like Wonder Woman," and she was cracking up. Meanwhile, Devontae behind me walks in to the room, because the Ofra Laboratories, their whole like laboratory and warehouse is in Pompano, Florida, which is like 30 to 45 minutes from my house. And we drove out there. I waited in line for that meet and greet, and we walk into the room to where they've got like the camera set up and Nikkie's there, and I'm saying hi, I'm greeting her, she's telling me, you know, she's like, "Oh, you look so cute," and I'm like, "Oh my god, you're beautiful." And then I hear my boyfriend behind me as I'm like coming into the room. "Damn, that's a big bitch. She play basketball or something?" And all I could think to myself was, I can't take him anywhere. I can't take you nowhere. But it was fine. The girl who was taking the pictures, she heard him and she was cracking the hell up. Thankfully enough, Nikkie Tutorials did not hear him, because boy, that would have been embarrassing. But yeah, so I've had this highlighter ever since. I actually bought this the day, like this was a splurge. Like, it was the whole like package was like on sale for like $50, and I think it was initially like $80 or something. I don't even remember. But basically, I was there and my boyfriend was like, "Yo, when's the next time you gonna have this type of opportunity?" So I said, "Alright, man, got you, bet." And I bought it. I bought the set. It was like 2 lipsticks and the highlighter. I think it was like 2 lipsticks and a lip gloss and the highlighter. I can't even remember, but the highlighter is the thing that I wanted the most and I held on to. So yeah, I'm using a mix of 2 shades. I'm using a mix of this really like bronze shade and this more like pinky champagne shade. I always mix these two and create my highlight shade, and I like it a lot. It's very cute. I dug up all up in the drawer for this. What else am I wearing on my face? To set my face, I always use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is out. This is empty. Ooh, this is empty. I get to buy a new one. For lips, I am wearing the Makeup Forever Color Artist Pencil in the shade Limitless Brown to line my lips. I did do a little bit of a variation of my usual lip look, so I'm using that to line my lips, and then I went over the entire inside and around, like almost like completely, like basically edging out the liner to where it'd be much softer, with the Wet Cherry Gloss by Lime Crime in the shade Bitter Cherry. And then I went over on top of all all of that with the ColourPop So Juicy Gloss in the shade Stuntin'. I have a few of these. I have Beachwood, Stuntin', and Princess Cut, which is a clear one. And yeah, it's for a more like pinky lip, less like heavy brown lip liner, heavy brown lip. This is definitely more like pinky, a little bit more subtle versus my usual brown glossy lip that I do. I know somebody's talking about she need to do some lipstick, but listen. Don't come for my aesthetic. I'm just fucking around. But I'm just messing around. But I just, every time I like do a look and I'm like, oh, I should do lipstick, and then I'm like, I don't even know what lipstick to do. So it's like, oop, gloss it is. And for lashes, I am wearing the Pro Beauty Essentials Wispies, the 3D Foam Ink Wispies. I bought these from Marshalls for like $4. So, not Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I got these from TJ Maxx for $4. I did find them online, but they were more expensive. I'll leave a link, if I can find a link again, down in the description box for you guys in case you want to check them out. And if you would like to know more about the lashes I wear or my lash collection in general, I'll leave an eye above for that video. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a very happy and safe Christmas, holiday, whatever you celebrate. I hope it's wonderful. I hope it's amazing. I hope you get to spend some quality time with your family, relax, and just enjoy the season. I hope wherever you are, you're having some nice weather. Listen, y'all, listen, because you know, I think it's like 60 something outside right now. I'm not sure, but like, let me check the weather. Guys, let me tell you, I live in South Florida, but I love cold weather. It's 64. Ooh, okay, it's 64. I'm sorry, it's 64, and tomorrow's gonna be 75 during the day and 64 at night. Love that. And Christmas Day is gonna be 59, a high of 59 and a low of 43. I'm gonna be outside all day. Let's get into it. I'm gonna be outside all day. I'm sorry, I love cold weather. When you're someone who lives in a place where dead ass, like, it's gonna be 82 this week, it's gonna be 82 on Thursday, and it's gonna rain. When you live in a place where it's particularly mostly 80-degree weather, you tend to just have an appreciation for cold weather, and I do. I have such an appreciation for cold weather. I love it. I'm about to go to Starbucks, give me a drink, and then walk the dog, because it's 64 outside. I love it. It's my favorite. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for links for all the products that I listed in today's video, as well as links to all my social medias. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and follow me on the Facebook page for this channel. Now, remember, your girl's uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday at 7 p. EST and Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. Make sure to click the bell down below so you can always be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.